I take refuge in you. Save and deliver me from all who pursue me, or they will tear me apart like a lion and rip me to pieces, with no one to rescue me. Lord my God, if I have done this and there is guilt on my hands, if I have repaid my ally with evil, or without cause have robbed my foe, then let my enemy pursue and overtake me. Let him trample my life to the ground and make me sleep in the dust. Arise, Lord, in your anger. Rise up against the rage of my enemies. Awake, my God, decree justice. Let the assembled peoples gather round you while you sit enthroned over them on high. Let the Lord judge the peoples.
Vindicate me, Lord,
according to my righteousness,
according to my integrity.
Oh, Most High,
bring to an end the violence of the wicked and make the righteous secure.
You, the righteous God, who probes minds and hearts,
who saves the upright in heart.
my shield is God Most High, who saves the upright in heart. God is a righteous judge, a God who displays his wrath every day. If he does not relent, he will sharpen his sword, he will bend and string his bow.
He has prepared his deadly weapons. He makes ready his flaming arrows. Whoever is pregnant with evil
Conceives trouble and gives birth to disillusionment.
Whoever digs a hole and scoops it out falls into the pit they have made.
The trouble they cause recalls on them.